Welcome to EduTube. Today we're going to make your MTH001 midterm prep super easy. Let's go through the most important topics one by one with simple examples. 1. Logic. What is it? Logic is just a way to check if a statement is true or false. It's like making decisions in daily life. And 1. This means both things have to be true. Example. 1. I will study and play cricket. 2. This is true only if you do both, study and play cricket. Or 1. This means either one of the two things can be true. Example. 1. I will study or play cricket. 2. This is true if you do either 1. Study or play cricket. Not 1. This means the opposite of what is true. Example. 1. I am not sleeping. 2. If you're awake, this is true. 2. Sets. What are they? A set is just a group of things. Think of it like a box holding items. Example. 1. A set of numbers, a equal sign, 1, 2, 3. 2. A set of fruits, B equal sign, apple, banana, orange. Types of sets. Finite set, a set with a limited number of items. 1. Example, a equal sign, 1, 2, 3, infinite set, a set with endless items. 1. Example, B equal sign, 1, 2, 3, keeps going forever. Empty set, a set with no items at all. 1. Example, C equal sign, set operations. What can we do with sets? Union A, B, combine everything from both sets. 1. Example, a equal sign, 1, 2, B equal sign, 2, 3. 2. A B equal sign, 1, 2, 3, intersection, A, B. Find things that both sets have in common. 1. Example, a equal sign, 1, 2, B equal sign, 2, 3. 2. A B equal sign, 2, 2 is the common item. Difference, A, B. Find things in A but not in B. 1. Example, a equal sign, 1, 2, B equal sign, 2, 3. 2. A B equal sign 1. 1 is in A but not in B. 3. Relations. What is it? A relation is just a connection between things. Example. 1. John knows Mary. This is a relation because it connects John and Mary. Types of relations. Reflexive. Every element is related to itself. Example. R equal sign 1, 1, 2, 2. 1 relates to 1. 2 relates to 2. Symmetric. If x, y is in the relation, then y, x must also be in the relation. Example. R equal sign 1, 2, 2, 1. 1 is related to 2 and 2 is related to 1. Transitive. If x, y, and y, z are in the relation, then x, z must also be in the relation. Example. R equal sign 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 3. If 1 is related to 2 and 2 is related to 3, then 1 is related to 3. 4. Functions. What are they? A function is like a vending machine. You put in one thing, input, and you get something back, output. Example. If x equals sign 2, then f2 equals sign 4. You put 2 in and get 4 out. Types of functions. 1-to-1 injective. Every input gives a unique output. Example. F equals sign 1a, 2b. 1 gives a and 2 gives b onto. Surjective. Every possible output has at least one input. Example, F equals sign, 1A, 2B, A and B are covered by the inputs. 5. Sequences in series. A sequence is just a list of numbers in order. Example, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a simple sequence. Arithmetic sequence. 1. In an arithmetic sequence, the difference between each number is the same. Example, 2, 4, 6, 8. The difference is 2. Geometric sequence. 1. In a geometric sequence, each number is multiplied by the same amount. Example, 2, 6, 18, 54. The multiplier is 3. Sum of a sequence, series. Example, sum of 2, 4, 6, 8. Total equals sign 20. Conclusion. Now you have all the basic ideas for your MTH001 exam. Here's a quick review. 1. Logic, and, Oregon, and not. 2. Sets, groups of things, and how to combine them. 3. Relations, how things connect. 4. Functions, inputs, and outputs. 5. Sequences, lists of numbers, and how to add them up. That's it. Practice these examples, and you'll be ready to ace your midterm. Don't forget to subscribe to EduTube for more easy lessons. Good luck!